Hello everyone, my name is Toxic Steve and welcome to my YouTube channel Toxic Steve's Ranch. I finally got the new GPU. Here it is, right here. I'm so excited to get to use this thing. I was comparing, originally I was thinking about buying a GTX 1070 Ti, but it was from a shady company called uh, INO 3D. Well, it's not shady, but it's just not well known, and I don't know how their replacement policies work if the card goes bad. And uh, because I want a card that actually works because I'm using it for my hobby to do these videos and to play video games, and I want to play the video games at the highest possible graphics I can for you guys, of course, and like for me, yeah. But yeah, this is the graphics card I bought. It's ASUS Dual Series GeForce GTX 1070 graphics, and it's 1797 megahertz clocked. By the way, it's factory overclocked, and there are 8 gigabits of RAM, and I think that there is like a little bit less CUDA cores than in the GTX 1070 Ti. It supports SLI, G-Sync, it's VR ready, and it uses the ASUS dual fan system that they have been using for well, probably from the Stone Age, I guess. And let's look at the specifications. So yeah, it's GTX 1070, PCI Express 3.0, OpenGL 4.5, 8 gigabits of GDDR5 RAM, factory overclocked, and there is 1920 CUDA cores, and I think the Ti has like 2100, like like 2100 CUDA cores, and the memory clock speed is like 8008 megahertz, and the memory interface is 256 bit, and maximum resolution. Oh yeah, and this is like good for 4K gaming. It's not gonna be a good FPS, but it can handle 4K gaming. And the outputs are one DVI, two HDMI, and they are 2.0 B HDMI. So I don't think they can like carry voice if your monitor has speakers. But who would like to use monitor speakers? Because well, no one, no one's sane at least. Display port, yes, two display ports, 1.4. HDCP support, 2.2 support. Uh, there is supplementary, like not supplementary. I don't know what's the word. Like you have to connect extra power connector. So there is one 8-pin connector, and in my GTX 770, I think I have like 6 and 8-pin connectors. So this is a relief, like a lot less power consumption and a lot less thermal throttle when gaming like open world high-end graphics games. Um, blah blah blah. CD, yeah, nobody uses this. I don't even have a CD tray in my computer. By the way, who has CD tray today, like in their computer? Hands up, like leave a comment down, please. I want to see the math behind like this, like because when I built my computer like uh, 8 years ago, been upgrading it since. Like back then, I didn't have a CD tray. I had to borrow it from my friend to get the XP installed, and that was like Windows Vista and Windows 7 time. And after that, you could install it with the USB. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, this is kind of the card that I bought, and I'm really excited to show you guys this card like in action, and I think I'm gonna enable the Steam's FPS calculator in the screen so you can like watch my FPS on the screen when I'm gaming. You can get like a realistic idea of what kind of performance this card offers, because the GTX 770 that I'm using right now, I'm gonna open the box while I'm at it. The GTX 770, what I'm using right now, is kind of an obsolete card. You can SLI two of them and get like, well, it was like Unreal Benchmark gave one GTX 770 4 gigs, was it like 41 FPS average, and if you SLI two of them, you can get 72, and the one score was like a little bit over 1000, and the score of two was like 2000, somewhere around 2000 points. So yeah, that kind of could have worked, and yeah, but like this was only 320 bucks, and I really wanted this, like, well, I wanted an 1080, but I can't afford 1080, so thank you, Bitcoin miners, much appreciated. But yeah, oh yeah, this is so cool. Just like look at that. Look the size of the chipset. It's like it's huge. Seriously, it's huge. Yeah. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this GPU flexing right here with with which, by the way, I bought with my own money because I have a day job. And unlike Markiplier, who intended that, like, tried to become an engineer, I actually am going to graduate to an engineer. Well, right now I'm going to graduate as a technician, like at the end of this year, but I'm gonna start the engineering school next year. I have 2 diplomas already, so yeah, I don't have to worry about that. This is really seriously just a hobby. But yeah, I'm gonna end this here, and I'm gonna start downloading the graphics drivers and like putting on my electric discharge bracelet and stuff like that, and I'm like getting ready to install the card. So yeah, I will see you in the next episode with my new GPU, and well, I have like pre-recorded episodes for Resident Evil 4, but they are from for like with the old card, and I am going to try if the crashing is because of my old GPU card, and we are going to solve that right now with our new like 1070 OC edition graphics card. So yeah, I am looking forward to that. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, please leave a dislike, anything is fine. I just want to know your opinion, an honest opinion. Leave a comment, subscribe if you like my again, I can't speak. Yeah, subscribe if you like my content, and well, I think that's about it. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.